Rubik's Cube Challenge ep.7. Straight away we're gonna get on with Rubik's Cube. So many dumb ways to die. So they were playing dumb ways to die just before this video. I'm watching YouTube. Pick some on. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. I haven't been talking much during this video. Today I've just posted a comment saying, oh, 1 dislike, because I've only got 1 dislike out of all my videos, which really disappointed me. And someone's unsubscribed as well. Might be Nathan Collin, but I didn't unsubscribe to him, so don't see why you don't subscribe to me. Seriously. Well, I've still got 15, it's only 1 in it lies. So, don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. Don't waste the time. So if my camera stops at any time again. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. I don't think I'm gonna do my challenge I set myself. I think I've failed already. Well, I've only done like 13 videos and it's Tuesday already. Man. Well, I'm gonna do like 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one will be 12. Which will be no videos, which I've already bet. Yes, yes. Don't waste the time. No, don't waste the time. 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 I'll be doing some more Let's Play videos soon. Sorry, I've only done like 3 something. Right. I'm not sure how long this video is actually going to be. Might make it just proper long, like 50 minutes or something. Probably not, like, but I won't be able to get that much time because of my phone. See, I don't have any memory on it, and that's why I'm recording on all the time. I need another recorder, but I don't want another YouTube account, is the only problem. Be back to work. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye!